Hey, what is going on, my Brad's Bites family? Welcome back to another video. I went over to Buffalo Wild Wings, as you saw in the intro. I'm trying their brand new bird dogs. I got the fully loaded version. So, try these out here. What they are is it's basically a chicken tender, and the fully loaded, it comes on a brioche bun, like a hot dog. And it comes with green onions, grilled onions, grilled onions, beer cheese, and a wild honey mustard sauce. So we'll go with this one here. And the wild honey mustard sauce is supposed to be really spicy, so there's what it looks like right there. Side view. Pretty small tender, if I say so myself, but anyway, I'm gonna try it out here. There's three versions. There's the fully loaded, which I got. There's the honey barbecue and a buffalo one. So this is supposed to be the most popular and the best one. And by the way, it comes with 2 bird dogs and fries for $11.99. So here we go, fully loaded bird dog over at Buffalo Wild Wings. Oh. First off, brioche bun, nice and soft, really bready though. A lot of bread, not that big of a chicken strip. They're tender. The wild honey mustard sauce is pretty spicy for me. Gives you a kick. Gives it a kick. Out of 10 on the heat meter, it's about a 4. But yeah, let me see if I can get more of the onions and the. You know what? I do not see any. Well, yeah, there's a little bit of beer cheese on here. Let's try a bite with the beer cheese. The beer cheese is really good. And with the green onion and the grilled onion, it works well together. My one complaint: too much bread, not enough chicken. But overall, it's good. It's not going to be in the delicious range. It's just okay. $11.99 for the price for 2 and fries. I guess it's okay. But yeah, just okay. And we're gonna go 8.3 out of 10 for the bird dogs over here at Buffalo Wild Wings. So that's for you guys. Make sure to check me out, Brad's Bites YouTube and Facebook, and then Brad's Bites 916 over on Instagram. All right, guys, catch you in the next one. Peace.